Exam fear has been a crucial part of my teenage years. I was an ICSE board. I'm sure all of you know the difficulty level of this board. I used to perform very well till the 5th and 6th standard, and then my performance started declining. Every time there was an exam, my hands trembled, and I used to experience high amounts of stress, fear, and anxiety. I used to forget everything that I learned and studied. I was not sure of the reasons. I thought it'll get better. But it went from bad to worse when the subjects got divided in the ninth and 10th standard. They were my most challenging and dreadful years. I was not good at science and math, but my fear spread to the internal assessments so much that I performed really bad in all the subjects. My confidence levels dropped. I started doubting myself, started feeling embarrassed about my academic performance, and did not want to share it with anyone. Growing up in a well educated joint family, and with all the relatives in the same city and my cousins in the same journey as mine, gave me jitters. The performance pressure was really high, and I was only going down south. It was time for my 10th pre boards. I gave my best during preparation, but when I used to reach the school and sit on my bench to give exam, the fear always took over me, making me forget everything. I just did not know how to handle it. My stress and anxiety levels were extremely high. I used to get high fever just before the math exam. I was just living with it and fighting every time, along with sleepless nights. I performed decently in the final boards, but I could definitely do better if I knew how to handle my fear well. Then it was time for 11th and 12th standard. I continued in the same school, and now my board was ISE, much more difficult than before. I took accounts, economics, and commerce and was relieved a little. I still did have math though for 2 more years. I started liking the subjects and felt that I could do better, but every time there was an exam, I just couldn't gather myself to perform as much as I knew or could do. I still remember there was an accounts exam one day, and my teacher saw me trembling. She came and she spoke to me. She tried to calm me down. She sensed the fear and understood my problem and decided to help me. She later took me to the school counselor and helped me post the session too. I will always be grateful for her. She evolved my life. She evolved me. It was the best thing someone could do for me. And after that day, my life really evolved. My exam fear did not just disappear, but I understood how to tackle it and perform to my best. I performed well in the 12 boards, and it gave me confidence to work on myself and keep doing better. In my college, I performed extremely well throughout the 3 years. My college friends and teachers still do not believe that I had this extreme anxiety and stress during exams or anything like exam fear. I do get nervous during interviews or important exams in life, even now. But I've learned how to tackle it well and have gained my confidence back. It did take a lot of courage for me to share this here today. I hope it inspires you and you believe in yourself just like I did. The courage to continue and conquer is what counts. Hi, I'm Ashita Gupta, your podcast host, an HR professional, and a life evolution coach. You are listening to episode 33, Breaking the Chains of Exam Fear, first part on Let's Evolve. In this episode, I will be talking about exam fear, causes, and effects of it. You've heard my story sharing already. I broke the chain with you. Now, let us understand what exam fear is and how does it affect us. This is not limited to only students, but most beneficial for them. अभी एग्ज़ाम्स भी चल रहे हैं या स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं, तो मुझे लगा ये बेस्ट टाइम होगा इस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने। एग्ज़ाम फेयर सब ने कभी ना कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया है। नर्वसनेस और फेयर थोड़ा अलग होता है। नर्वसनेस ईजिली कंट्रोल हो जाती है थोड़े टाइम के बाद, पर एग्ज़ाम फेयर थोड़ा लॉन्ग रह जाता है, और अगर उसे अच्छे से हैंडल ना किए तो देन इट गेट्स रियली एडवर्स। क्या आपको पता है एग्ज़ाम फेयर किस रीज़न से हो सकता है? सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द रीजंस। 1. Pressure. Pressure of peers, family, societal, self. Any pressure is pressure and it takes a toll on the individual. आप बहुत बर्डन फील करने लगते हो जब इतना प्रेशर होता है आपके ऊपर, और उस प्रेशर में फियर क्रिएट होता है कि कहीं मैं फेल ना हो जाऊं, और अगर फेल हो जाऊं तो सबको कैसे फेस करूं। 2. Lack of preparation. Either the understanding of the subject is not correct, the foundation is not strong enough, or you do not like the subject. But if the preparation is not done well before the exam, it is natural to develop a feeling of fear to give an exam on it. 3. Performance anxiety. दिस इज़ दैट केस जहाँ आपने प्रिपेयर किया है, आपको पता भी है कि आपको एग्ज़ाम के कॉन्सेप्ट से ही डर लगता है, और आपको ये नहीं पता कि उस टाइम लिमिट में बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस कैसे किया जाए। आपको एक एंग्जाइटी सी डेवलप होती है। यू फील दैट यू डू नॉट नो हाउ टू परफॉर्म और गिव दैट एग्ज़ाम और इवन अटेम्प्ट इट, सो यू लेट द एंग्जाइटी कंट्रोल यू so much that a sense of fear develops and it starts overpowering you. 4. Past experiences. If your experience in the past has not been positive, related to you or anything that you've heard or seen, either about the subject, grades, or failures, you tend to develop a fear because you do not want the past to repeat itself. Exam fear can have adverse consequences on an individual. I have personally faced some of these that I'm going to mention here. Exam fear can lead to lack of confidence, self-doubt, low energy levels, deteriorating health, high levels of stress, anxiety, suicide even in extreme cases, and much more. Yes, the consequences are not good. So what can we do? How can we manage this? We will talk about this in detail in the next episode. Till then, I would like to ask these 2 questions to you. Have you noticed anything similar related to an exam fear in yourself or your friends or family? What will you do now that you have noticed this, and what action will you be taking? Think about it. Stay tuned for the next episode to understand how exam fear can be managed at all levels and for everyone. I would like to conclude with my quote as a tradition. So my quote for this episode is, "Exam is a test of knowledge and preparation, not a test of self-worth." Remember that one exam will not define you, and your worth is much more than any exam in this world. Identifying exam fear is the first step. Congratulations if you have done that. If you feel connected with me and it gives you a positive feeling, do reach out to me for a coaching session by booking my time on the link mentioned in the description. I support middle-aged individuals reach greater height by evolving and turning their life around. Do share it within your circles. Do like, share, download and subscribe to my channel. Let's evolve. Have a wonderful day ahead.